Okay, so it's been about 35-40 minutes and the corn is not soft, not very soft. The broccoli, I've tasted it and it's really good taste, but it's not soft like I like it. So I have turned my heat up to 400 now and see if I can get the corn and the broccoli done enough so I can take it off. Okay, so I took the corn off. The corn turned out pretty well. The broccoli's off, and I've turned the smoker up to 500 degrees. Right now it's only 355, but I have the lid up, so it's not going to get to 500. You can see that flame there. I had to use both hands to remove the grate and slide that plate over. I'm not sure you can see it. There's a little handle there. And then I turned it up to 500, so you can see that flame. So as soon as it gets up to temperature, about 450 or so, I'm going to throw the steaks on there and let them sear. I'll probably do one at a time. And then once they sear, I'll turn it back down to about 350 or so, put my probe in, and then I will cook the steaks to about 145. I think is medium well. So that's the plan. Okay, just to give you an update, I'm on my third sear, and my steaks have a really nice crust on them, just like I was looking for. The temperature, however, is already 160. So these, just by searing them, have cooked to a medium well level. So if you want them, more of a medium to a rare, you would have to maybe not sear them so much or not at the high of temperature. As you can see, these babies look good. Can't wait to taste them here in a little bit. The one thing you want to do after you cook steak, you don't want to just put them on the plate and eat them. You want to let them sit and rest for about 30 minutes. That lets the juices back into the fibers of the meat, and it just makes for a better taste. So I am done with the searing process. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? So I'm going to turn this back down to about 225. Now, the other thing I'm going to do is, since the grates are really hot, I'm going to put my corn on there. Okay, now this is how I'm getting my grill marks on my corn. Okay. And the other thing I'm going to do, which is a little different, is this, the steaks are going to come off, and I'm going to put them in this pan because it's nothing but butter. See how these are grilling up. You got to keep an eye on these. My temperature on the steak is 161. Okay. So you got to keep an eye on the corn. You don't want it to get too burnt. But the steaks are going into my pan that has the butter on it. As you may know, I like butter. Okay, so those guys are going to go in there. This one is so tender it almost wants to fall apart. It's so tender. There we go. And then take this out, and this will be added to that, and then we are good to go. So I'm looking forward to these steaks. I think it turned out exactly like I wanted to, and I'm gonna move this corn around just to make sure I get them all good. And so the last thing I'm going to do with the corn is I'm going to put them in this pan here, and then I'm going to put lemon pepper on it. Okay, so that's really all I'm going to do is with the corn. This will have a really nice flavor to them, and they'll be ready to eat here in about 5-10 minutes. But again, I'm going to let the steaks rest in the butter there, and then I'm going to cook these a little bit longer, and then I'll show you the finished product in the next video.